Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing well. This is your girl Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. As you can see, I'm doing DIY for hair growth, and today it's time for me to check on my fermented rice water. So what I'm putting in my hair is cactus and aloe vera gel. That was last week. I'm doing 1 month challenge, so I can support my customers who are buying my hair grease products. So as I said, this Sunday is the last promotion for the free bottle of my DIY for hair growth products. And I fermented rice water last week for 1 week, so today it's time for me to check on my rice water. A stiffener, yeah, to stiffen it, and then I have my bowl. So where is it? There it is. So I've fermented this for 1 week, everybody. This is my 1 week fermented rice water. I'm gonna use it on my hair. When you see this video, today is the time for me to tip my rice water. As I'm doing my spray bottle, it's a bottle with a brush or a comb. It has a hole in it, so I use it on my hair. And this is my fermented 1 week rice water. So I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm gonna open it and see, so I can drain the water off. So it smells so nice. Put orange peel to take the scent away. So you can see it has been 1 week. Okay, it has been 1 week, so I'm gonna use it on my hair. So right now I'm just gonna tip it up. This is my fermented rice water. I have tipped it off. Hi everybody, I do DIY for hair growth. So today I'm doing my fermented rice water for 1 week. So, and I'll be spraying this on my hair. This is 1 week of my fermented rice water. So I'm gonna tip it in my spray bottle and then I'm gonna use it on my hair. As I've informed you guys, I'm doing 1 month cactus hair challenge to help people hair to moisturize and also have a good value. From did you use the oil? See, my daughter used the oil under her scalp. All her edges has grown. See my beautiful daughter. See my beautiful gorgeous girl. Yeah, it's okay. Hold it. It's cool, so you need to hold it like that. Okay. So I'm trying the cactus for 1 month, and then I'm gonna use the fermented rice water, isn't it? Yeah. She already have hair, but my product make her hair soft. My product release the curls from her hair, so she already have hair. I don't want to lie to people. I'm not gonna lie. My daughter have hair. My beautiful daughter have hair, but I use my hair product as well for her, especially the coffee. I use it, put it in, it straighten the hair, it make the hair thick, and it make it very strong and hard. Okay, that's what DIY does. So today it's just fermented rice water. So I'll be using this every night before I go to bed. The cactus aloe vera gel and my coffee every morning And then I'll be using the rice water every night before I go to bed. See my cactus and aloe vera gel here, and this is my rice water over here, and I've transferred it here. So I'm just gonna spray it in my hair or on my hair. As you can see, I don't braid with rope on my edges, so this is the edges have grown. Okay, so after that I just twist it back because I don't braid my edges. I just twist it because I don't want my edges to go off. So I just braid my edges or twist my edges back. And thanks to all my customers who trust me, thanks to everybody who buy my product to try. Another product is coming from Rita's DIY, cactus and aloe vera gel with rice water. As I told you guys, I'm trying it for myself before I'll come out and sell. But it's also about to stop breakage, to stop damaging hair. When you comb your hair is falling too much. So that's the main reason why I'm trying this for my customers, so I can give them a feedback. Because even though I'm doing DIY, sometimes my hair, when I comb, it falls a lot. So I'm just doing this here, and then I have the rice water. So I'm doing this for 1 month, okay? This is free. When you buy my product, I give this for free. So now it left 6 bottles. So I have 4 oil and 2 coffee. So I need to do extra 4 coffee, and then I'll add this to this, and then by this one by Sunday, that is the end of the promotion. At the end of the promotion next week, if you want this product or you want this bottle, you need to buy it on top of the oil and the leave-in spray. So I'm gonna combine them together with a tool massage, with a massage tools. If you are tired using your hand to massage your hair, the tools that is coming is gonna help you to massage your hair by itself. All you have to do is put your hand in, stick it under your scalp, and you just massage it. Because I know when you massage it too much, your hand gets sore. So the machine is coming. So I'll be doing it in pack. $15 for oil and $15 for leave-in spray. It's gonna be $40 set or $45. So the oil is 15, and then the leave-in spray is 15. That's 30. And then I'll add the bottle and massage tool to it. So you'll be of the coffee, the oil, the spray bottle, and the massage. Rita F. Brewer. My hair is orange. You can see how my hair is beautiful. Just look at that. If you want to see more proof, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. It's free. Or my TikTok. Just go through my videos. You'll see the journey of my hair, where I'm coming from and where I am right now. Just look at that. When you put the aloe vera and the cactus and also my coffee. See, this aloe vera and cactus are already powerful. The aloe vera gel is just additional. After washing your hair with shampoo, you put your aloe vera gel and the cactus in with rice water. And then after that, use my... How good is it gonna be? I can't wait to finish it and see if all the breakage will stop. God bless you. Follow me. It's free. Follow me. Remember, I love you, but Jesus loves you the most. This is your girl, Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. I love my husband. God bless you. God bless you. Follow. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.